We're going to go ahead and replace our window crank handle located on the inside of your door panel. What you want to do is grab your window crank handle and pull outward. If it doesn't pop off, you can use a plastic trim tool. Gently pry that out. Swing that off to the side. Right behind it, there's a Torx screw. I'm going to go ahead and remove that screw. Once that screw is loose, you should be able to go ahead and pull that window crank handle right off. Take the little gasket and the screw and set it aside. So at this point here, we're going to go ahead and install our crank handle. Go ahead and get our Torx screw installed there. And let's go ahead and get that screwed on in. We'll snug that down. Once you have that snug down into place, go ahead and bring that cap over. Snap that on, then go ahead and test out your window.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.